Hello, friends. I hope you all are doing good today. Yes, today the recipe that we are going to prepare is barbecue nation style crispy corns. For that, what you need to do is you need to take two baby corns or the sweet corns. You need to take those and wash it and keep it, and then we need to put it in boiling water. You need to boil it for at least 2-3 minutes before we start the recipe. I have cleaned and kept at least two corns, and now I'm going to boil it. So now to this boiling water, we'll add all the sweet corns. Boil it at least for 2 to 3 minutes. That's more than enough. The water is already boiling. Let this boil for at least 2 to 3 minutes. I'll let you know what is the next step. Now friends, I have boiled the corn. You can see I boiled the corn for at least 2 to 3 minutes, and then I have drained the water completely, and I have let it cool down for at least 4 to 5 minutes. Or what you can do, you can just run cold water and make it cold, and then we'll add the corn flour. What I have done is I have just let little moisture be there in this. I have drained the entire water, but little moisture is there still in the corn. So we'll go ahead and add at least 4 to 5 spoons of corn flour. I'm going to take this spoon. So in this I'm going to put 4 to 5 spoons of corn flour. See friends, now I have coated the corn with the corn flour. Now I'm going to add a little salt and again mix it nicely. Now what we'll do is we'll go ahead and fry this corn. So friends, in a pan I have taken oil, and I'll just put one corn and see if the oil is hot. If the corn again comes and kind of comes on the top, that means the oil is nice hot. So we'll wait for another 2 minutes. Now fry all the corns at least to a golden crisp, and keep it aside. So I'll fry all this corn to a golden crisp. Now friends, you can see that it has nicely become crisp. So what I'll do at this stage, I'll remove the corn. Now friends, to this I'll add a bit of the fried corn. I'm adding a bit of chili powder. Again, it's as per your taste. A bit of cumin powder. very little salt, and a little bit of chaat masala. And then I'm adding a bit of coriander, and then give it a good mix. This is a very simple recipe, but it makes a very great snack. So this is how they prepare the corn at the Barbecue Nation. So yes friends, so our crispy corn is ready. You can have it as a snack in the evening. And yes, if you like my channel, please do subscribe and press the bell icon. And yes, keep watching for more recipes at Hema Havi Lifestyle Vlogs. Thank you again for watching.